Pull it just like that. Ooh, this side is janky. Part 2 of replacing weather stripping is putting it in. It's actually very easy, but the weather stripping pieces are likely to be a little bit longer than the opening. So you're going to put the thing up into the opening and figure out where your kerf ends. In this case, the kerf stops at this upper stop, which is up here. So I'm gonna have to cut this where the kerf stops, and then the top piece will be continuous all the way over, and it will fill that whole gap. So I'm just gonna make a mark, trim that baby off right there. And this is not an exact science. And then you start putting that barbed back right into that kerf. Follow it all the way down. Yeah, that's good. A lot of times at the bottom of the jamb, you'll see a short piece of weather stripping on an exterior door that leads outside. That is a moisture control weather stripping piece there so that water can't wick up from the sill. Now we gotta do the top and the hinge side. Dude! So if the very last piece doesn't float in automatically off camera, then you'll have to just go and grab it. All right, there it is. Oh yeah, turned out good. Pretty easy to do. Yeah. Can I get a seal of approval on the installation here?
Check mark.
Nice. All right, it's not expensive and it's not difficult. There's no reason why you would suffer with failing or tattered weather stripping when you could have some new product on there. And weather stripping is important. It keeps the heat and cold outside where it belongs.
Yeah, and even though this door isn't going to the outside, it's coming into a garage where you might have garage fumes from your car. You don't want that going inside the house, so you want a good weather stripping to keep that out.
This has been a really easy, super cool tip. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here, our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest. This has been another episode of your Parr Weekend Warriors. We'll see you next time.